What's the meaning of autograph? Autograph. Autograph.
Autograph. Autograph. An autograph is a signature, usually of a famous person. It is often sought after by fans and collectors as a personal memento or valuable item. The word autograph comes from the Greek words autos, meaning self, and grapho, meaning I write. Autographs can be found on various items such as photographs, books, clothing, and sports equipment. The value of an autograph depends on factors such as the popularity of the person, rarity of the signature, and condition of the item.